Hi, so we're going to make simple syrup, and everyone thinks that, oh, simple syrup is so easy. It's just 2 ingredients. Well, you're right, it is 2 ingredients, but it's the way you put it together that makes it better. So what I have here is 1.5 cups of, I like to use sugar in the raw, but you can use any kind of sugar, cane syrup, cane sugar, whatever you want. I would not use turbinado. It is very, very strong unless you're making a gum syrup, and we can get into that on another episode. But we're going to take our sugar, and then we're going to add 1.5 cups of hot water. This is not boiling. And the reason why I'm doing this not on a stove is to show you that you do not need to burn your simple syrup. And it is a big misconception that, oh, I'm going to make simple syrup, I'm going to cook it to death. Well, that's caramel. So let's not do that. Let's just take this, add the same amounts of water you have to your sugar, give it a nice stir. And you're just going to keep stirring until you don't see anything in there except the nice clear liquid. If you're using a white sugar or a brown liquid, if you're using a cane sugar, oh my goodness. Perhaps I need a little bit of a cocktail myself while I'm making simple syrup. So we're going to give this a stir. And if you notice, I did this in a mason jar because I hate cleaning up. So I like to do everything in something I'm going to keep it in. So I did this in a mason jar that was nice and clean. You can see right through this. And now I'm going to put a cap on it. And guess what? It's good for like 3 to 4 weeks. Put it in your refrigerator. That's the best.